Welcome to Cat Quiz. Hello everyone! Today we will explore an extremely interesting topic, how much you know about the animal world, from the lovely animals to the most strange creatures. Are you ready to check your knowledge and discover more surprises? Before starting, do not forget to like and click subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so as not to miss any of the next interesting puzzles. Come on, let's start! Which animal has the strongest bite force? Lion. Crocodile. Crocodile. Watch out, the crocodile's bite is a true jaw-dropper. Which bird cannot fly? Ostrich. Eagle. Ostrich. Even without wings for flight, ostriches can sprint like Olympians. Which animal sleeps the most? Koala. Dolphin. Koala. Koalas snooze for up to 20 hours a day. What a life! Which animal is known as the king of speed on land? Cheetah. Zebra. Cheetah. A cheetah can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. Which snake species is the longest? Anaconda. Reticulated python. Reticulated python. When it comes to length, the reticulated python takes the crown. Which animal can change its color to camouflage? Chameleon. Seahorse. Chameleon. Chameleons are nature's very own shapeshifters. Which animal has the longest pregnancy? Blue whale. Elephant. Elephant carrying a baby for 22 months. That's true dedication. Which animal has the best memory? Elephant. Dog. Elephant. Elephants never forget. Which animal has the most teeth? Shark. Snail. Snail. Surprisingly, snails have thousands of tiny teeth. Which fish can glow in the dark? Anglerfish. Lanternfish. Lanternfish. Lanternfish light up the deep sea like tiny underwater stars. Which primate is considered the smartest? Monkey. Chimpanzee. With their incredible problem-solving skills, chimpanzees are brainy primates. Which bird has the largest wingspan? Bald eagle. Wandering albatross. Wandering albatross. Stretching up to 12 feet. Which animal can live the longest? Greenland shark. Humpback whale. The Greenland shark can live for over 400 years. Talk about longevity. Which animal does not have a backbone? Octopus. Starfish. Starfish. Starfish redefine strength without spines. Which animal can regenerate its body parts? Starfish. Seahorse. Starfish. Starfish have the ultimate superpower, regeneration. Which animal is the fastest swimmer? Sailfish. Shark. Sailfish can swim up to 68 miles per hour. True aquatic sprinter. Which animal has the shortest lifespan? Mayfly. Honeybee. Mayflies live for less than a day, making every moment count. Which animal is called the king of the ocean? Shark. Blue whale. Blue whale. The blue whale rules the seas with its sheer size and grace. Which animal can live both on land and in water? Turtle. Crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodiles are masters of dual terrain living. Which is the smallest bird in the world? The hummingbird. Sparrow. The hummingbird is so tiny, it weighs less than a penny. Which is the largest mammal? Elephant. Blue whale. Blue whale. The giant of the ocean takes the crown. Which animal has the fastest reflexes? Cheetah. Mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimp. Don't let its size fool you, it's lightning fast. Which animal is known for being the best jumper? Kangaroo. Frog. Kangaroo, with those powerful legs, it jumps to glory. Which animal can live without food for the longest time? Camel. Tortoise. Camel, the ultimate survivor in harsh environments. Which animal is the slowest? Tortoise. Sloth. Sloth, life is better when taken one slow step at a time. Which animal has the longest neck? Ostrich. Giraffe. Giraffe, towering high, the giraffe reaches the skies. Which animal can regrow its heart? Axolotl. Starfish. Axolotl, the miracle regenerator of the animal kingdom. Which animal has the best night vision? Owl. Bat. Owl, the silent predator of the night, sees it all. Which animal is the fastest on the ground? Cheetah. Lion. Cheetah, the sprinting superstar of the savannah. Which animal produces the most milk? Cow. Elephant. Cow, feeding the world with its abundant supply.